How do you scale a nationwide fleet of industrial equipment without growing your service team? That's the problem Alta Refrigeration ran into. For decades, Alta built large, centralized, and highly customized refrigeration systems. Now, with high customization comes longer design and deployment timelines, and of course, a trickier support model. Meanwhile, Alta's competitors were flooding the space with cheaper, simple units, sometimes 20 or 30 small systems per facility, just running basic thermostats. An energy consumption nightmare, but they were gaining market share nonetheless. Now, Alta wasn't willing to cut product quality, so instead, they changed their architecture. In this edition of Who's Groovin', we'll show you how Alta changed from a custom engineering house into a scalable industrial OEM and built nationwide visibility into hundreds of systems without adding a massive service staff. Back in 2013, Alta introduced its Expert series, modular refrigeration units mounted directly above the spaces that they serve. Each unit follows the same core design, relying on more sensors and better control to optimize energy efficiency. Expert controls are so much more than a thermostat. They monitor things like outdoor weather conditions, electricity prices, refrigerant levels, motor performance, so they can optimize their customers' energy usage for maximum efficiency, saving them thousands. Now, Expert sales took off. Hundreds of units went into the field, with multiple units per site, long equipment lifetimes, and service contracts driving revenue. But in the beginning, updates were still tricky. Remote access varied by customer, every site being different, and that model didn't scale. So Alta rebuilt the Expert control platform around a single edge controller, groov EPIC, that handles control, communication, security, and updates all in one place. Plus an energy monitor, the groov Rio EMU, to track energy consumption in real time. The control logic runs as a custom C++ application on the controller, with each unit serving its own local web interface for configuration, alarms, and troubleshooting. Instead of opening inbound firewall access to every unit, Alta uses a site-level gateway that aggregates data securely and sends it out using MQTT. No VPN juggling, no port forwarding, just one secure outbound connection per site. From there, Alta can see what's happening across its entire installed base. The result is a nationwide view of operation, including system health, energy usage, and potential alarm conditions across hundreds of units. Instead of checking sites one by one, the team can spot issues in seconds, and in most cases, Alta's team is able to spot problems before the customer even calls. And when a technician rolls, they already know what needs to be fixed. Software updates that once took multiple steps now take a single upload and restart, using the same hardware and the same workflow everywhere. The lesson is simple. You don't need to scale service by hiring more people. You scale it by designing systems that are built to support themselves. Alta didn't just build a better refrigeration unit, they built a repeatable, connected product platform. Learn more by reading the complete case study at opto22.com. Like, subscribe, and comment below, and be sure to tune in for the next edition of Who's Groovin'.